Let's challenge ourselves this month to live below our means without feeling deprived. Can we actually trick our brains into making it work? Let's find out together. Living below your means is a powerful way to build financial health. But let's be honest, it's not always easy. At first, it can feel uncomfortable, even discouraging. That's totally normal. We might feel like we're missing out on the fun, or that we can't keep up with friends or social plans. That feeling of deprivation is real, and it's something many of us go through. But what if we flipped the script? What if this wasn't about missing out, but about gaining control and freedom? One thing we all deal with is that emotional pull, guilt, shame, FOMO. It creeps in when we say no to a purchase or skip a night out, and that mindset can really hold us back from sticking to our goals. So here's where the challenge gets interesting. Instead of focusing on what we can't have, let's focus on what we gain: financial clarity, peace of mind, the ability to breathe a little easier. Let's talk about how we can trick our brains into enjoying a more frugal lifestyle. And I don't mean lying to ourselves, I mean shifting our focus to the positive outcomes. First strategy, gratitude. Let's start small. Each day, take a moment to write down 3 things you're thankful for. It trains your mind to focus on abundance, not scarcity. Second, low-cost or free alternatives. Love dining out. Let's try recreating our favorite meals at home. Miss movie nights. There are so many great free streaming events, local outdoor screenings, or even cozying up with a favorite old film. It's not about cutting out joy, it's about redefining it. Personally, I found that a few small changes made a big difference. Swapping out some habits, like grabbing coffee out every day, saved more than I expected. And more importantly, I didn't feel deprived. I felt in control. And here's a big one. Happiness doesn't come from stuff. It comes from growth, connection, purpose. When we work on our mindset, everything else gets easier. The turning point for me was realizing that living below my means wasn't about restriction. It was about freedom. Freedom to choose, to save, to invest in my future, to say yes to bigger goals. So let's stop thinking of this challenge as a punishment and instead see it as a gift we're giving our future selves. And if you're on this journey too, you're not alone. Let's keep encouraging each other in the comments. Share what's worked for you, what struggles you've faced, and how you're navigating this new mindset. And if you're finding this helpful, help us grow this community. Subscribe, hit that like button, and stick around for more videos on personal finance, saving tips, and real-life money challenges. Together, we've got this.